I'm Jake Hickmott, Sales and Marketing Manager here at Advantage Plastics. So Smart Silo is a superior range of storage silos from 1 tonne to 30 tonne capacity. So Smart Silo was founded 20 plus years ago with the owner of Advantage Plastics and one of the largest agricultural operations in New Zealand. The silo and the framework is all manufactured in-house, located just outside of Christchurch in the South Island. So the Smart Silo has 5 different advantages. So the first one being what it's manufactured from, which is medium density polyethylene. So it's a non-rusting material. It's a one-piece product. There's no assembly of the silo itself on site. There's no possibility of moisture entrance. Mouldable product storage, obviously here on farm it's poultry feed, but it can be dairy feed, it could be fertiliser. Custom colouring, so here we've manufactured the silos in a mist green colour to blend in with the sheds they have on farm and also the environment. The framing being customised to suit their requirements, so with these silos, with their load cells, we've worked in with what they require. We make it easy as possible to work in with us, so going from the first initial inquiry through to manufacture to delivery, we try and make it as easy as possible for you. So we're always wanting to grow the brand and become the best storage silo solution in New Zealand. Please reach out to us if you're interested in Smart Silo. We're here to help you and find you the best solution.